We're going to be taking a look at stock ticker symbol HPMQ, HMPQ, HMPQ, currently traded at 0103. Looks like the last time that we went through this one was going to be over on the 1st of February, which is going to put you guys right here. I said watch for a break, watch for a 03 break. If not, does not. If it does, next stop will be 0333. If not, 30-day simple moving average. You guys didn't quite break it like we were looking for at close. You guys came down to the 30-day simple moving average, couldn't hold, and just been bleeding since. A lot of volume coming in here, but a lot of selling. No other way to put it, guys, besides that, unfortunately. But I will go ahead and put up some lines here across the table to see if this might help us understand and see things a little bit more clearly. Let's see where we're at. Okay. Yeah, so that definitely doesn't need to be or won't be your bottom on this one. We can go across there. That would be a little bit. Okay, yeah. All right, so that's what we're going to be looking for is going to be that to hold. If that doesn't, it could go down much further around the 066 area, which it has a record of doing before. You guys see that right here back in August of 2016. And in October, it went down there, but it bounced off of that really nicely. But just a lot of selling in this one, HMPQ. Really, I'm telling you guys how I see it just over the time. I mean, you can just tell by looking at the chart how much red's there. A lot of gap ups, a lot of pullbacks. Definitely encourage you to go look at the video. Penny stock gap ups don't do this. You probably understand that a little bit more. So that's what we're going to be looking for right now. You guys, I'm going to give you that fair idea, around about in this general area what to watch for. 0130 going to be watching for the buying to return to selling to slow to push you off that and bounce you up to 0149. If the selling doesn't slow and you start seeing 01 starting to tap, if that 01 falls, you start getting under 01, like 009897, you start seeing that, there's a good chance that might fall down to 0066. Just telling you guys how it is, how I see the chart. See if Joe has anything to add to this one.
Let's see. So their latest news was on January 30th, 2017. It was HempAmericana Incorporated begins building CBD oil extraction laboratory. Let's see. So on January 30th, they were pleased to announce that its foray into the cannabinoids oil extraction business. And it was basically a transaction with an additional investor valued at approximately $265,000 allowed Hemp America to acquire an extraction system from Infinity Supercritical LLC. On the eve of its transaction with Blackridge Capital is committing up to $20 million in Tier 1 Registration A financing. The company is now poised to explore CBD oils contained with hemp plants. So that was that on January 30th. So then what I'm seeing right here, there's no recent updates, but then you got their quarterly was filed on, what day was this? February 8th, 2017. So, I mean, that's where you really want to do your due diligence on, because, I mean, what you're seeing right there with that and everything else, you can go in there, you can get a better idea of everything. So if you have time, go and check out that 16-page quarterly report that was filed on the 8th. And you get a better understanding of what's going on with the company in regards to different shares and everything else. So, as always, if you have an opinion on the company, or you want to do some more research, just go to the HMPQ board over on Investors Hangout. From there, you can see the company profile, the time and sales, the recent news, the filings, the financials, the buy rating. As always, if you have an opinion, post it over on that message board and share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded daily investors that we have using the site.
All right, so 0103, watch for selling to slow. 01, if 01 doesn't hold, could drop to 0066. Resistance at 0149. Like I said, I'm just voicing my personal opinion on it. The selling just needs to slow down, guys. Hey, I'm telling you guys how I see it. Like I always do, good or bad. But that's how I see HMPQ. If you follow the stock, you feel that this video helped you in any way, make sure you hit subscribe and hit that like button. We'd appreciate it. If you have a hot stock that you would like to share with us, head over to investorshangout.com/live.